So behind me here is Jamestown, and Jamestown slums in particular. And for sickle cell disease, you just wonder how many people in this slum will actually know that they have the disease or the trait. The world's greatest health challenges are amongst these people, the world's poorest people. What we're looking for is this patient called Nana. Nana is a lady living with sickle cell disease and suffering all the complications. Really though, she's one of the lucky ones. Sickle cell trait will be carried by so many people there, and actually, this is the highest density, highest prevalence, most number of people living with sickle cell disease anywhere in the world. So you have sickle cell disease. What are the greatest challenges for people living with sickle cell disease here in Ghana?
In Ghana, generally, the most common complication of sickle cell disease is pain. Because if you're in pain, how are you going to be active? And when you're not active, you can't have a living in Accra. So that's where it starts from. It's like one complication having lots of ripple effects. Another issue is losing my job.
So you lost your job? Mm-hmm. What did you used to do?
I was a lab technician in a bottled water factory. I fell sick, and then when I came back, I had lost my job. My bosses were not willing to work with me because of the stigma attached to being a person living with sickle cell disease. Most people living with sickle cell disease hide it.
And yet it's so prevalent. 3 in every 100 of these people will have the disease.
Exactly. So it's not something that we can afford to keep quiet about. Sickle cell disease and living with sickle cell disease is not a death sentence.
It may not be a death sentence as such, but is it a life sentence?
Nothing should limit you, whether you are a person living with sickle cell disease or not. There will be hope. If you have access to great healthcare, you can work. And when you work, you can get some income to take care of yourself and your family. There's hope. There's hope for everybody.